The world's most exclusive cars cannot get away from the desire of the German's automotive tuner Novitec to make them even faster and more visually striking. In today's episode of Automotive Territory Daily News, we will cover the latest works by Novitec that include ultra-luxury models from Britain and Italy. So subscribe to the channel if you call yourself a true car enthusiast, and let's start the engines. Novitec Ferrari Monza SP1 and SP2. Despite the limited availability of these Ferrari barchettas that will be produced only in the number of 500 units, Novitec still decided to build an upgrade kit for them. It includes a set of striking Vossen wheels in one of the offered designs and colors. The cars also get exclusive interior styling performed in genuine leather and Alcantara. And of course, this model gets the brand's signature spring set that can lower the ride height by 1.38 inches. Thanks to the tailor-made performance exhaust system and metal catalysts, the 6.5-liter V12 mill is charged to 844 horses and 575 pound-feet. For improved cooling, the exhaust can be also treated with 999 fine gold. Novitec McLaren 765 LT. The barely road-legal 765 LT monster is already overloaded with raw power, as its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 754 ponies. But still, this recent Novitec upgrade kit will definitely make this limited series McLaren stand out from the crowd. The company's bespoke Stage 2 ECU map and Formula 1 grade and canal exhaust raise the power output to 855 HP, and the peak torque to 662 pound-feet. Alongside insane performance numbers, the car gets unique 20-inch front and 21-inch rear alloy wheels, a custom carbon fiber air scoop, and a sport suspension kit if you prefer being 20mm closer to the ground. After all the treatments are applied, the Novitec-tuned McLaren boasts higher power-to-weight ratio than the P1, while its 0 to 60 time reaches 2.5 seconds. Novitec Lamborghini Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive. It was just a matter of time before the rear-wheel drive version of the Lamborghini Huracan Evo met Novitec. This time, the German tuner gave priority to amplifying the supercar's superb aerodynamics, leaving 5.2-liter powertrain untouched. In case you forgot, the stock V10 feeds the rear wheels with 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. Novitec generously treated Supercar with naked carbon fiber parts, including a new front spoiler, rear wing, and side panels. On the four corners, you will have a fresh set of 6-spoke forged wheels produced in collaboration with Vossen, measuring either 20 or 21 inches. Among extra options, there is a carbon fiber hood with larger intakes, Novitec's aluminum coilover suspension kit with 13 selectable compressions and rebound stages, and a lightweight and canal performance exhaust. Bear in mind that an entire playlist that covers 2021 cars from all the international tuners and car makers is waiting for you in the end of this video or in the description. Smash the like button and let's proceed. Novitec McLaren 620R. The world is familiar with the McLaren 570S GT4 as one of the most successful racers in its class. In 2020, the everyday driver got a chance to own a road-legal version of the model in the form of the 620R. A whopping 225 units of this McLaren were produced. So to stand out in this limited edition crowd, Novitec offers to put even greater emphasis on the racing DNA via adding extra carbon fiber body parts and remapping the engine. There are 3 different performance upgrades for the 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 that take advantage of the plug-and-play Novitec and Tronic modules. The highest stage tuning kit additionally uses the Novitec racing exhaust to crank up the output to 711 horsepower and 524 pound-feet. As a result, This mid-engine sports beast speeds to 60 in 2.8 seconds and tops out at 205 miles per hour. Spofec Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. It is hard to refine the world's most exclusive SUV, but extra individuality and improved dynamics is still an attainable goal. The experts from Spofec start with a thrilling overdose wide-body kit and 24-inch high-tech forged wheels by Vossen. All in all, the already massive Cullinan adds 4 inches in width up front and 5 at the rear. Extra sportiness is achieved by lowering the ride height by 40 mm, plus the revised engine mapping results in an increase in output. The 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 now produces 707 horsepower and 782 pound-feet of torque. Weighing 2.7 tons, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Overdose gets to 60 in 4.6 seconds, but its top speed is still limited to 155 miles per hour for safety reasons. Anyone willing to get more exciting engine notes can opt for a Spofec exhaust system with actively controlled exhaust flaps. Novitec Ferrari A12 GTS. Already familiar with the A12 Superfast, Novitec now gets to work with its convertible iteration. First, the company dresses the GTS in naked carbon fiber components that not only boost the car's aesthetical appeal, but also improve its aerodynamics. The stock wheels are replaced by mismatched 21 and 22-inch forged units co-developed with Vossen. The reworked suspension setup features new sports springs that lower the ride height by 1.38 inches. But customers can also opt for the front axle hydraulic adjustment system that can raise the front of the car by 1.58 inches. Finally, Novitec manages to introduce an output upgrade for the brand's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12. It gains 40 horses and peaks at 840 HP. The engine's performance is additionally enhanced by a new exhaust, either from Novitec or Inconel. Novitec McLaren GT. The model that turned upside down people's conviction that McLarens were only good as track day cars continues to be one of the most appealing super grand tours in existence. To give the car an even more striking silhouette and improve aerodynamic efficiency, Novitec engineers developed an enhancement kit that was diligently wind tunnel tested. Additionally, a staggering combination of Vossen 20 and 21-inch high-tech forged wheels were installed on the front and rear axles. Another focal point for the GT is the available 3-stage engine upgrade that can boost the power output of the mid-mounted 4-liter twin-turbo V8 to 707 HP. These changes set the new speed parameters for the car: 3 seconds 0 to 60 and 208 miles per hour Vmax. Finally, the interior of the Novitec McLaren GT can be reworked with meticulously finished leathers and Alcantara in any desired color. Novitec Ferrari F8 Tributo. It's hard to imagine, but if the F8 Tributo is too boring for your taste, time to call up Novitec. With 2 of their plug-and-play N-tronic modules that handle engine mapping, the factory 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 is charged from 720 to 802 horses. The torque output, on the other hand, is raised from 568 to 662 pound-feet, improving 0 to 62 acceleration to 2.6 seconds. To reach these numbers, the F8 Tributo is aided by a high-performance exhaust that is offered in several modifications. The exterior changes are tasteful and are carefully engineered to aid airflow. There are new rocker panels, a 2-piece front splitter, a rear wing, and a rear lip spoiler that are optionally available in carbon fiber. The car's interior is also fully customizable as per the customer's request. Novitec McLaren Senna. Even though the 500-unit McLaren Senna is already a hypercar to beat, with Novitec's involvement, it only gets better. The company uses a plug-and-play N-tronic control unit to introduce new engine maps and modify electronic boost pressure control. As a result, in its max specification, the 4-liter twin-turbo V8 nets 902 horses and 655 pound-feet. This leads to seriously improved acceleration times. The Novitec Senna can do 0 to 60 mph in 2.7 seconds, while 0 to 124 happens in 6.5. Of course, the tuner does not stop there, giving the car a new interior, mismatched 20 and 21-inch wheels, and a race GTR exhaust. As with any other modification, Novitec does not announce any prices, but we do know that in 2020, one of such Senna builds was auctioned off for $2.5 million, $1.5 million more than the original price. Which modified model by Novitec impressed you the most? What is your favorite car tuner? Let's talk this over in the comments below. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, smash the like button, and continue exploring 2021 car models by watching our entire playlist. The links are on the screen. See you soon!